Hello everyone, welcome back to the Communicators. This is Pulkit Maheshwari, and in this video I have come up with a new job opportunity which is from Travelex. It is a very good opportunity, so do not miss it. Also, if you are new to this channel, kindly go through the content of the channel. You will definitely love it. As we give interview experiences, interview preparation strategy, and also off-campus job updates, and along with it we give placement guidance videos also. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
So guys, this is the job application portal of Travelex. The link of the job I will give you in the description. You can apply it from there. Here I will tell you what is the job profile, the locations, the eligibility criteria, the job description, the application procedure, and at last I'll tell you what is the CTC which is offered by Travelex for this position. So here you can see that the position is Junior Technical Analyst and the location will be Mumbai, Malad. As far as the eligibility criteria is concerned, you must be a graduate or a postgraduate from technical background. They haven't mentioned any stream here, so I believe any stream student can apply for this position. As far as the job description is concerned, you have to effectively manage and prioritize work in close alignment with business and IT stakeholders. Work with the project manager and project relationship partners for estimation of cost for IT solutions including non-functional and service and support. Assisting in resolution of major issues that may be related to system design or integration. You must be able to develop sound professional working relationships with global IT and business operations. To apply for this position, you can share your CV at this mail ID, or you can use this apply button to do so. Before moving to the application procedure, I would like to request you to kindly subscribe to the channel for regular off-campus job updates and also for placement guidance. After clicking on this apply button, you will be redirected to this form. Here first you have to upload your resume. After this you have to fill your personal details, then fill your experiences, some voluntary questions, and then you have to review your application. After review your application, you have to click on Submit Now button. After that, you are good to go. Here you can see that this is a full-time opportunity and this is posted only few days ago. So do not miss this opportunity. Now coming to the CTC. Travelex is offering around 4 LPA for this Junior Technical Analyst position. So apply for this opportunity right now. All the very best and thank you.